If your Bosch dishwasher indicates this as symbol, there is a simple solution how you can resolve it. This symbol means that there is low salt in your dishwasher or there is no salt at all. So let me show you how you can fix it. You need to open the lid and we need to refill this salt to your dishwasher. We need to grab and put away this stack, open the salt package, and we want to put it here in this container. As you can see, there is the exit symbol, same symbol like on the display. So rotate this and open it, and we want to put a salt here. Now it should be fine. Let's close this, put back the stack. Now I'm gonna turn on the dishwasher, and as you can see, it's no more indicating that symbol. This second is for rinse aid, and you're gonna need to refill it here. As you can see, there is the same symbol like on this one and also on the salt part. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and see you next time.